Los Angeles faced the flames head-on, and now it's rising from the ashes stronger than ever. Recent wildfires have devastated communities in Los Angeles, causing billions in damage and disrupting countless lives. But amidst the chaos, a powerful wave of resilience and collaboration has emerged. Rebuilding efforts are in full swing, with organizations like ABC SoCal leading the charge. They're providing skilled labor and training through apprenticeship programs, ensuring that new homes are built stronger and safer. Los Angeles officials are also stepping up, reviewing building plans and implementing stricter standards using fire-resistant materials. Yet it's not just about rebuilding structures. The community is focusing on creating safer environments with fire-resistant native trees and better urban planning. Governor Gavin Newsom's LA Rises initiative is streamlining permitting processes and offering significant financial aid, with over $2.5 billion already allocated for immediate response and reconstruction. Insurance companies may be pulling out, but the California Department of Insurance is fighting back, working to ensure homeowners get the coverage they need. In the face of climate change, this rebuilding is not just about recovery, it's about resilience. Los Angeles is more than a city. It's a symbol of strength, unity, and a relentless drive to rebuild and thrive. Together we rise.